What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here, and this video is going to be on how you guys can make 5 figures in one day. Right? So keep in mind, this is just my personal experience, things that I've done to make 5 figures in one day. So I'm going to give you guys, a couple of ways here. So first things first is CPA. So if you guys been on the channel for even, a couple of weeks, a couple of days, you guys know that CPA is like kind of what this whole channel is even built around, for the most part. So CPA is super sweet because, you don't have to have anyone pay any money, which is sweet. Like my first 6 figures, that I made with these offers here. With the offer in CPA was an offer that no one had to pay any money. They didn't have to do anything. Literally, all they had to do was just put in their name, phone number, an email, maybe an address or something like that, and I would get paid for it. So stupid easy money. Now the downfall to CPA is that if you want to make 5 figures in one day, you need 5 figures already. There's pretty much no way around it. So if you have like $500 right now, you cannot do this method to make 500. I mean, is it possible? Absolutely, but odds are not going to happen. So it also depends on what niche you're going into and stuff like that. Let's say you want to do like native advertising or something like that. Native ads, in CPA, like the best budget to have in my personal experience and personal opinion would be somewhere between $5,000 and $10,000, right? If you are scraping the bottom of the barrel, I would say like maybe 1,500 to like 2,000 plus. That's just my personal experience with this stuff here, because you can literally blow through $1,500, $2,000 or whatever in like a day or two or whatever. If you have like set it out for a budget, maybe even a week, but you can just literally blow right through that, so that can go really quick. So CPA though is definitely number one. If you have a small budget, I recommend Facebook ads and CPA, but it is like normally an uphill battle when you're doing CPA for the most part because no one fucks with you. So like native ads doesn't like you, Facebook doesn't like you, Google ads doesn't like you. Mainly it's like really the links they don't like. So if you could ever, if you get around the link issue, you're normally okay. But if you're promoting BizOp, it doesn't matter if it's a link or not. They just don't mess with you. Even like a lot of PPC networks don't mess with CPA offers. So it's kind of an uphill battle when you're doing CPA. But once you get it running, like you just literally make thousands of dollars. So it's easy. I highly recommend it for anybody that's new into the game to definitely do CPA versus like, MCA, MyEcon, or pretty much anything where you have to sell something. Like even Shopify, like I would highly recommend like someone do leads before they try and get sales. Like if you're a brand new person right out the gate, how can you get leads when you don't even know how to get, how can you get sales when you don't even know how to get leads, It's kind of like if you buy a car and you're like a first time mechanic or something like that. Is your first project going to be on the engine? No, you're going to be trying to change a tire, or something small like that. But yeah, CPA definitely super easy. I got a bunch of free training here on the channel and in TeamDeAngelo. Another way is direct sales. So So direct sales is super sweet because basically this is where you're getting 100% of the commission. At least in my experience, I just call it direct sales here. So basically, you're getting paid directly, and you're selling shit. Like it can literally be anything. It could be a course, it could be a service that you're building for websites. Like I made a whole video on how you guys can make an extra couple $1,000s a month just messaging, business owners or people who own websites and stuff, and then tell them that you'll make them a better website. Like you can even use like BMO pages or WordPress or anything along those lines, like where it's already got a template, but hey, I can make you something that looks like this, and I can get it done within the next 60 minutes or something like that. Boom, you just supply me with the information, or I'll just copy the information from your website. Boom, you're done, right? Charge them $100, $200 a pop. Stupid easy money. Literally all day long you can do that. And all you have to do is just send people an email if you're too scared to call them. Like if you're too scared to call them, all you have to do is send them an email, right? You can do the same thing with websites. You can go to the place and like, hey, I noticed you guys didn't have a website. I can build you guys a website. Get your domain and everything up and running, for $100, $150. Literally, domain's gonna cost you $10, and then you can outsource the website and pay someone, like $20, $30, and then boom, you walk away with the rest. Done. All right. So direct sales, stupid easy money, and then of course, you got the almighty, Google Trends. So Google Trends is man, it's my fucking bread and butter. Now, oh, did I say anything? Yeah, I don't think there's really any downsides to direct sales because you can do that. You can actually do that 100% free. That just goes with time. Don't trading your time for money. Now, same thing with Google Trends. Google Trends is like you do the work once, but you keep getting paid over and over. So, in my opinion, Google Trends is a million times better than paid ads. Because once you stop paying Facebook to promote your ad, you no longer get any traffic to it. Now, when I use Google Trends, basically I'll keep getting traffic for however long that topic is. So let's say you ranked first for, I don't know, for like 6ix9ine, right? Like, the rapper 6ix9ine. If you rank first for that, you're going to get millions of people going through your funnels, millions of people going through all of it. Now, obviously, it's not going to be easy to do that by any means, but I'm saying that's what, the potential would be. So once you do the work once, you make the video once, you make the, the landing page once, or whatever it is you're trying to rank, once you make it once, and then you're going to instantly rank first. Like, that's like the best part about it. Like, every single thing you do instantly ranks first. Of course, if you know what you're doing. So instantly ranks first, and then, every time somebody comes, to like search it or whatever, you keep getting traffic over and over and over. So like, it could be like, I got videos right now, that when I first started doing Google Trends, they still get traffic till this day, right? So you can just keep doing it over and over and over and over and over, and you can just make an easy 5 figures in one day. Just gotta set it up, So that's pretty much it on the Google Trends front. Stupid easy money. It's 100% free. Like I said, in my opinion, there's nothing better than Google Trends. You know what I'm saying? Like, because I don't have to pay for it. Now, that's just the way that it is. Now, another way is influencer marketing. Now, influencer marketing is so powerful. Like, this is definitely a second when it comes to Google Trends. And the only reason this one is second is solely because I have to pay for it. Like, if I didn't have to pay for it, this would be right on par with Google Trends. Now, influencer marketing is sweet because literally you're going to get millions of people, or hundreds of thousands of people to see your stuff for dirt cheap money. Like, I made a video or a post or something like that a while back about how I spent $135, and this guy literally dedicated an entire video on his channel to my app, right? And I got over, what was it? Well, he got, of course, he got over 100, and it's probably about 150,000 views, in half a week. I mean, a week and a half. 150,000 people got exposed to my app, my brand, all of that stuff, right? And then let's say I decided to do a CPA offer with that, stupid easy money. You can do CPA with, any of this stuff here, if you wanted to. But yeah, with influencer marketing, literally all you got to do is just pay them. They'll make a whole video about it, and then you just instantly get sales, like just like that. And I mean, like, it is so hard to do shitty with, with this here. Like with Facebook ads, if you're garbage, like, you're gonna lose money. With influencer marketing, for the most part, it doesn't matter how shitty you are, or how little experience you have. You're pretty much golden, because all you need to do is give them a link, and they'll know to put it in the description. And then odds are, if let's say it's something, well, okay, I guess I can't say that, but because it depends on what you're doing it with. I guess I should say that, okay? Because if you're trying to do like CPA and BizOp, it's not going to work for you at all, and odds are you might go into the negative, because 9 out of 10 people aren't serious about making money. Not to mention, you would be promoting a scam on their channel, and then they will take your shit down, and then odds are they're not going to give you your money back either. So you could take a huge loss if you don't know what you're doing. But it also depends on how long the video was up, you know, and all that fun stuff. So it really just depends on that. But for the most part, you can go into this a completely bumfuck idiot, you know, and still make $1,000 with influencer marketing. Because all you're gonna have to do is pay someone like $200 or $300, you know, to literally make a video, and it's gonna stay up there forever, right? And then anytime someone searches or whatever, let's say you wanted them to make a video, and let's say you wanted them to title it as something, you know, or what keywords to use or what to put in their description. Like you can do all of that for a price, of course. So I mean, you can literally have them rank for something, and then, you know, since they're gonna get thousands of people already going to their channel, it's like that's a whole, you know, whole video here. You know, if you're a TeamDeAngelo member, just go do the training for it. But yeah, that is 4 ways that you guys can make $10,000 in one way. I mean, in one day. So it's stupid. It's not easy. I don't know why I keep saying it's stupid easy, but like once you have the training and stuff like that, it's stupid easy to do this stuff. You know, like all you're doing for CPA is just scaling. All you're doing for direct sales is just messaging people. All you're doing for Google Trends is just ranking first, and all you're doing for influencer marketing is just messaging people. So I mean, like it's literally just simple stuff. He's like, "Hey, can you promote this for me?" No. Okay. Hey, can you promote this for me? No. Hey, can you promote this for me? Yeah, I can do that. Done. There you go, right? So CPA, it's an uphill battle for most networks. I mean, that is what it is what it is. Um, you know, and these right here are mainly just like traffic sources or whatever. But I mean, it doesn't really matter what you promote when it comes to Instagram and influencer marketing and Google Trends. Google Trends, no matter what you promote, is 100% profit, and then influencer marketing is damn near 100% profit because you're normally going to make like 10x no matter what, depending on where you go, who they are, what type of channel they have, who you're promoting, what you're promoting. I mean, who you're trying to promote to. Then you got to make sure the audience that they have is actually going to work with your offer. You know, so I mean, there's a bunch of stuff. There is some testing and stuff that's involved. You know, you got to collect, like the first ad is normally like collecting data. You know, because they can tell you like, oh, most of my viewers are from this country here, and then the rest of them are from like normally they give like the top 5, right? So like, oh, this is the main countries that I mainly get, blah blah blah. Oh, okay, great. You know, but you want to have like link breaker or something like that because like I've had some where people have told me that, like I said, I'm going completely off track or whatever. Go do the damn training if you're a TeamDeAngelo member. But that is pretty much it, guys. Let me know in the description how you guys have made 4 or more figures in one day.